you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps for a quick fix. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 2. Update software. Ensure that your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If the crashes occur while playing specific games, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in your games can help reduce the strain on your Steam Deck. Access the in-game settings menu and decrease the resolution, texture quality, or other graphics options. Step 5. Check for overheating. Ensure that your Steam Deck is not overheating, as this can lead to crashes. Make sure the vents are clear of dust and debris, and consider using a cooling pad if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.